My people, now welcome again to another exciting topic. Today, we get the cocoa. When I mean the cocoa topic. Before then, I'll meet my special guest. Brother, please, you introduce yourself.
My name is Osaze Kelvin, aka Mr. 100%.
100%.
I'm the runner.
Like the runner, as you. And my sister here.
My name now, I'm Mercy.
Hey, I'm Mercy.
Those women, they get
I don't know.
messy.
I like for this show. One thing we organize as they do, there's a bit to be pair people. There's a bit to Mama see their two again. You know, so,
You don't talk to matchmaker.
Okay. There's a bit to be pair people. Now, our topic today now, sex in relationship.
That one touched me.
Very, you know, sir,
I
very
did
hot
say-
one.
It touched me.
So, but before then, we'll go pledge to this honorable court. You say this one a love court. So we'll put our right hand for our chest,
Okay.
and then we'll call our name as we pledge.
This one.
Say,
I'm
Osaze
Mercy.
Kelvin.
pledge to this honorable court.
Pledge to this honorable court.
Say anything when I go talk.
Say anything when I will talk.
Go be the real matter.
Go be the real matter.
I'm nothing but the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Una welcome. I say about in our love court.
We see
In our love
our
court, when we
husband.
discuss about relationship. Madam Mercy. Sex. Our topic is sex in relationship. Don't say this sex. So many people they shy away from her
Yes.
because it be like sometimes you know say our people we too dey religious. Once we just talk about all these things, we call the
Don't be like saying that fire
wow, but last we still need them
Yes.
because we don't see I don't see case where people break up as in marriage. They share garri for marriage, they share garri. Say as in they don't want the marriage again because of say the woman say the man not the knack back away.
That don't matter now.
So now, how important is this sex in relationship?
It is very, very important because this generation will be dey so. Some people go talk saying that time when you be say with the olden days, sex not really dey important. You just marry your wife, enter house. You must be virgin before you enter. But nowadays, because of wetin dey go on for this Nigeria and for the whole world, it is very, very important. Because one, you need to know the kind of man, whether he go sabi do am well for bed. So whether he go fit satisfy you for bed, the one na satisfaction and you go still know whether the woman go fit satisfy you for bed, wetin you want. Because get some kind of people they will talk say no, I no want do BJ, no, I no want AD. So now for relationship, you go take know whether the person dey like am or you know they like am. So it is very, very important. You no need to shy away from am. Even medically, it is very, very advisable.
Wait. Now that one talking for that.
I won't leave that one.
That one talking for that. So that medical wait, I think that advisable.
It is advisable in the sense that if man no sex, it dey affect am for your waist.
Hey.
It dey affect am for your waist. Yes.
So
The waist to come dey pain am. Every small thing you go say waist dey pain am.
Hey.
Na so my back dey pain me. But if you just say him don release all those things because they dey take sugar, so you need to release all those things. If you not release am, it go cause another thing for your body.
In case you don't know, this program is rated 18. Very, very important. So again, viewer discretion is advised. It's for the singles, people who don't reach 18 years, not be for small pikin. No, you see, I love cut. That will go for. So you mean say Kasate so now because plus
Yes, medically, because of wetin dey happen now.
Because honestly, waist go dey pain me. Back go dey pain.
Like ma just tell una the ogbonge truth for this place now. My dad, when my mom late, he come later say waist dey always dey pain. Now I say oga, bros, you need woman. You don say when you don say you need woman. Every small thing, my waist dey pain. Even if you go meet doctor, they go still ask you say when last you sex.
Hey.
Na so e dey always dey. Because say olden days different from now. This one na 21st century. So olden days they different from now at days. Olden days now they feel they get wetin they go take they go dey drink and all that. But these days, because of wetin dey happen, nonsense is what we dey take, come dey make our hormone system dey bad. You dey understand? So na im make e dey very very important.
No be small thing. Coming to Mr. Kevin now, wetin be your own view concerning this matter?
My host, I understand the question. Basically, not be say I no support her, but the truth needs to be said. In respect to say e dey help man in one way or the other. But how you go feel now, maybe say the woman may say you wan marry. Might ask you that question. How you go feel say the woman may say you wan marry, now you bust now. How you go feel? The woman may say you wan marry. Nobody for this life don't touch her. No, na be the question, because in respect of wetin we dey talk say yes, e dey help man, no, e dey do this one for man, no, e dey do this one for woman, no. I don get doctor may tell me say if I take medicine, if you sleep with woman, na that time the medicine go work well. Na doctor tell me this one, not be say na math. He tell me say if you take this medicine, once you sex, your body will be relieved, then the medicine can now work well. But the question dey always dey come before me say how I go feel when be say the day me my wife tell me say I can't go out. As I climb on top of her, I do plop. I cause and say no man don't touch her. It will be a prestige and a bona fide something that I can say to the general public, say no man don't touch my wife. Now so me take am visual, but still the truth be said anyway, but it's still the head man. You are not far from the truth. But a man needs to be proud of what he has done and what is going on.
I go still dey against wetin you just talk now. You know why?
Why?
Now before, now you go see say they go carry girl wey be virgin come as you go get prestige. But now guys say they no wan even date virgins. They go say na stress to them. Before they come, they teach them this one, they teach them this one. How you go feel when you be say you dey for bed? The girl when you be say you this virgin, no dey satisfy you well, you go still go look at and not be still sin.
See, the answer maybe say you dey talk say now say you won't go outside go look house, you won't go look another man. Wetin go happen when you say the woman may say you this virgin now, you bust the door, now you open her, you call the teacher the things may you won't go learn for outside.
But men,
because I know say man as a man, it's in our nature to cheat.
Mm-hmm.
No, not that you want to talk and reach my brother. No, agree that one.
I agree for that one.
It's our nature to cheat. But for a woman, it's good that the woman is untouched. Even if you say you don't work out Genesis to Revelation, you don't work out go Mount Zion, you don't work out go everywhere for this country, you don't learn all this stuff. How you go feel maybe say that woman may say you don't know anything, now you can't teach her everything. It better say you teach her everything than say another man, your gate man, can go teach her something. It's very important. No matter how you say you want look and wish, because even the scripture makes us understand that the bed is honorable, marriage is honorable when the bed is undefiled. It's very important. No matter you see him,
alright,
it's good to teach your wife everything.
Wait first. Now we dey talk all this things. So this one, that one. Now so woman not supposed to do first. Now, which person you want to the rehearse before you come marry that girl?
Good, I like that question of that.
Where be virgin so?
Man, a strong word, sharp. But even though you say you no use anybody to do particular, there are other ways of which you can learn. But the truth is said that, but you know say you don't waka, man dey waka, don't forget that one. Man dey really dey waka. You waka for everywhere. I don't see people maybe say each state may go, you get woman for there. The king dey there.
But if you come to man or woman, if you come to woman not supposed to get
woman not supposed to get fair.
Okay, see, you now with your own now real matter we dey talk for this court. Real matter we dey talk for this court. See, you go fit do no sex before marriage. If girl now do come the date girl, you go say you want do the girl say no sex before marriage. You go fit do one.
That's why they call me Mr. 100%. I know the life of my matter. I know go fit.
You know go.
That's why I've been a singular for a very long time.
You are a singular. Not be single.
Not be single. But recently, I come find out say the best way you can live such life is for you to be able And if you feel keep am, so you feel keep distance relationship. Like some previous topic, I don't get understanding how to keep a lasting relationship. All those things, once you put those things into places, you will come to see, say, you can really survive without the sex aspect. But we know, say, yes, this modern age, everybody want to one because it's even a youthful exorbitant for everybody to practice sex. Even 18 years old, 15 years, I don't see person missing at 14 years old, they relationship, and they do block law of the matter.
Jesus.
No, seriously. Let's no, and the real matter we talk. We know, say, yes, if you don't go some area for this Benimo day, so you know the area now. More they talk upper, Igbiyoko, all those area. You see and say 14 years old and don't they do the block. I don't fit talk the person, but na very person close to me. He say when you go right to Waec that time, they get me meet that time for that village. Now 13 years old. He say the way me that get Andola till now. The girl, nobody don't handle her like that.
The secondary school, in go round Waec, the girl. So, meaning say there are two, they never reach 18. So, because I would say the guy don't pass 18 now, that one for be child abuse and rape. Yes. Thank God, say, we know they support that one. This show is rated 18. Yes, very, very important.
For mature minds.
Yeah, for mature minds. Yeah, for mature minds. So, now, Mercy, you go fit do that no sex before marriage.
Me, I dey talk my own. I no go fit. I dey tell everybody, me no go fit because me myself get weakening points. Although I dey tell most persons, if you be virgin, say you never start to dey do am, you fit keep yourself. But if you don't start to dey do am, you no get how you talk say you no go fit do am. E go still happen because this body wey you dey see so, not be just you get things when e be say they trigger you. If you be saying a kiss now be your weak point, now you can't kiss your boyfriend. Your body go day now. Your body must surely day, and you must surely day in that mood to need sex, and you go really do am. So me personally, I no go fit.
You know, it's very important, Sha, because no man made us test am. Go to say you no fit do am again.
You no go fit do am again.
Even when you talk say you no want do am. I don't see many people make go talk say
I no go do am again, but it go still.
Let's start this relationship. Don't worry, no sex relationship.
It go still happen.
But I promise you now, I'm gonna give myself 2-3 weeks.
It go happen.
2-3 weeks.
2-3 weeks too far. 1 week.
1 week. You will start a less kiss. Now from
kiss. That's the better dance now.
It must happen.
Okay, show just now. It be like say there are two, not there are three. But now, they are in alignment, as you can see. They align well. Two of them don't they alignment. Okay, now, so what I try to tell me now, say, to tell me, not be just you and the general public, be say sex, they very, very important for relationship.
It's important for relationship.
Okay, so meaning say, wait. When I mean say relationship no go fit work without sex.
If you still work without sex, depending on the understanding of both spouse, like both persons where they do the relationship, where they the relationship, it's still they now understanding. If not to get the same understanding, they just want to say, okay, fine, I don't want sex for now. You understand? You say you don't want sex for now. It can still happen. You understand? Depending on the parties, both parties. You understand? And so it just be.
But the issue more we talk, say depending on the both parties, how long they'll feel last without the sex. Because they don't already start. You know people say soup me, you don't already start to the leak. And they go to say me they come again.
You know,
your
say
eye will stay there.
The thing be say, my brother, even if you know say get the kind of people where they take sex as food.
Yes,
morning sex. Afternoon sex, even afternoon I dey call am afternoon because never reach evening na sex. Evening sex, inside kitchen sex, bathroom sex, everywhere sex. Not be so. Some people they be sex like person, but some persons they not be sex like person. If you be say before they go ever sex, it go reach 1 month before they go sex. So those kind of persons they feel they do away with sex. You know, go call talking that sex be their main priority for the relationship. Why get some people when you be say sex that be their priority? If you not give them a war, the time when they say need them, especially men,
Hey.
the time when they say need them, if you not give them, now whoa, you'll be like say you use all those odo mortar, say hit them. They'll come start to the nag because it gets some nagging men. And if I can't they go outside now, you'll talk say until they go outside and all that. No, not be so. We're not talking about the sex for a relationship, but not say calm as your main priority for the relationship. Now, waiting me they talk with that.
And basically for the woman, but you know why most men they feel say sex is everything in a relationship now, because they lose they have to accept one question: what does the woman has to offer?
Hey.
Women, they have so many things to offer.
No, you
Except
fit talk say
the
you fit
women
talk
wey
say
no-
you fit talk say you get wetin you wan offer. But I've seen majority girls out there, they don't get anything else to offer than sex.
Hmm.
They don't tell you say if I come, if you do plot, if I dey go in the morning, no, I mean no, give me 10, 15K, may I take one. Not be say there be olo show, not be say there be anything, no. But they all get that mindset say anytime I go my boyfriend now, before I come out, he must give me something. What does a girl has to offer in a relationship? It not mean say everything na man head, money,
Wait,
this one man.
Wait. When you try to say most girls now only sex they get to offer for relationship.
If you look at majority of girls out there now, if not 70 to 80% of girls out there, what do they really have to offer? What do they give me the one offer? Some will call your ass, they'll say they're not fit clean. Some will go to say, I'll never be your wife, I know fit cook. Some will talk say, but if they want to do plop, they are ready and willingly to give it to you. What else do they have to offer? More ask ourselves that question. Even if the girl come to say he wan offer something, everything na he go clean house, he go wash plate, he go sweep house, he go do everything. More really say na wetin man really need for relationship be that say you come clean house. There are sometimes a man go dey depressed, but the girl no really get anything to offer. Sometimes the man go dey financially down, wetin the girl have to offer, go feel say na sex the guy want. Sometimes those situations wey be say guy go call him girl come house, the girl go say if I'm coming we no have sex. I call you say we come have sex. Ask am now, I call you we come have sex. I called you say mo we come greet me, let's interrelate. You don't know what I'm passing through at this particular time. I need a companion, but you just put and say for me if I call you let's come to my house, let's hang out. You go tell me say if I come to your house we no have sex. I'll just tell you not come again. Not come again.
Like, brother, let me say you dey talk bad o, you dey hit the point. But now because of the way una wey be guys still first take the girls. You understand? Like all these Yahoo guys now, I go still put am to Yahoo guys. They always dey spend, they not nah, the girls they need money now, they need money. So the girls them now the way you take carry them, that's what they go take give am to you. So they not go even know say you need anything sef, because you dey give them wetin dem want. Sure you understand? But the thing be say, e still get some kind girls out there when e be say if you dey in a relationship with that girl, you go benefit a lot.
That is not sex.
That is not sex, yes.
Okay.
You go benefit a lot. Why I talk so be say, one, if they dey work, say yes, they are working class girls and they take you serious, they not be all those girls wey dey waka waka wey no know their left to right. Before you go date girl, you suppose know the kind girl wey you wan date. You not suppose go pick all those small girls when e be say they never even know wetin they call relationship, because now wey be guys na still dey cause am. Girls wey never really go training, una come go take them as girlfriends. So how you want to benefit from that kind girl?
Please. Which training did they go again?
No, you don't understand. No, you not get. A girl where girl go matured reach, at least if she's speaking, you go know say this girl is matured. You understand? But all those 15 years old girl now, 16 years old girl, you as a matured man, you see 30 years old guy wey never marry or go dey date 13 years or 15 years old girl, or 17 years old girl, 18 years. You understand? No, that's what we are saying. So it's not good, because I know those kind of people so now they tarnish the image of girls when they say go fit do something. So because they date all those girls, now all those things where they call the girls now, what they go just want now, if they reach yes, less sex. Like sex, let me tell you, sex is different from love making.
Yeah.
You don't just, yes, it's different from love making. You don't ask for sex. It comes gradually. let it flow. I want to make it flow. You understand? Love making and when una two they enjoy what una they do. You are not nobody they force each other to do anything. But it gets some kind guys, if they just come, they're not going to just do anything. Open. No, it's not like that. Sure you understand? Now which I want eat with that one.
They get the time.
This says matter. Simple talking. It go a long way. So now, let me just conclude. What will be your own? What will be the word you feel live for the public, for youth out there, for young guys out there for relationship concerning this sex matter? Which you feel just tell them? What just sharply done?
My advice I'll give people out there is sex is not everything in a relationship. Not be sex be the main thing for a relationship. There are many things that are attached to a relationship. Many things that a relationship needs to offer. But if we, as an individual, come entangle her or put her in a clause saying now only sex be everything, that's when it's wrong. That's my message to people out there. Look for something in that relationship that may they give you joy, may they make you happy. If you thought that because of sex makes you enter a relationship, it's a wrong thing for me. It's a wrong thing for me. If you think of other opportunity, other happy thoughts in a relationship, any relationship that has to do with sex is meant to undergo. Sometimes if you too much sex, they'll ask you a question, say, "What you want to offer again if you don't marry?" At the end of the day, your cousin say, "Now this sex you go do for marriage, then born pikin. After I born pikin, engine don't knock. Then we go for another woman, fresh woman, may go they do sex with." So many things they make relationship needs to offer. Not be sex, be everything.
Not be sex, be everything. It's important to, but not take calm as your everyday priority.
It's important, but it's not necessary.
At least, get what you want from a girl, like that relationship, and make if that person leave you. In fact, make something where they very important. How ever take put and safe.
So at the end of the day, when you break up, it will be saying
not be that sex matter. You know, when they miss you because of the sex, when they miss you because of something when it be say they very okay. I beg my youth. Now so many youths be everything now and sex. I beg. More will not take come as our everyday priority. That's just it.
Not be small matter, but at least na real matter.
Yes.
You say this matter a very critical matter, as I tell now before. So we don't learn one or two things. We don't come to the end of this wonderful episode, sex in relationship. You hear waiting my guests and talk today. Say sex, some man is important because they say soldier not they learn how to shoot gun for war front. Now before you come up for barrack. So then at one point, now they give one more. It is not me, as you can see. It's not me. Even after they now back, they pay me.
You know what to do.
You know what to do.
No, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So you see, I'm saying, but not make them say that be the priority. Not make them say now this thing really carry me go the relationship. So make sure say you feel balance this thing. You must balance them. As we talk for love court, you must balance them. Now the real matter be that one. So now well done. Una take fit watch this wonderful episode for Love Court. Mona say they follow us. Don't stop to follow us. Keep sharing the video. Invite your friends. Any topic where you feel say it makes sense, we need to talk, or you get one simple challenge where you pass through for your relationship and you want more to talk about, just drop on for our DM or drop on for our DM or drop on for the comment section. If you want, maybe we'll not still mention your name. We know if I will not go mention your name, if your name no go there, but just put on there. We're going to meet you again for this wonderful show, this Ogbonge show, Love Court.
We'll not forget the matter.
Not the matter.